Good morning, traders. I wanted to go over another stock that had a good move yesterday. That's BCOV. Went from this is a daily chart. So if we look at day before yesterday, about 20 up to 25. So that's about a 25% move on the stock. If you look here at the volume, that's a big spike. But if we look back at the chart, it's been going up since about February 3rd, February 4th. We'll take a look at it. Let's see, pre-market, it's down about 25 cents. So if we look at the 5-day move on this chart, it's been relatively flat until yesterday. Looks like we could have seen the volume here, maybe jumped in on the first or second bar. This is a 30-minute chart. So let's look at the option. So we're going to look at an option that we could have had the day before. Let's see. So here we go. Could have bought it around $50. Yesterday had a high of about $240. So that's what I think I had it. Let's calculate that. 240 over $50 minus 1 is about 380% in one day, right? But if we get half of that, 190%, maybe catch it at 80, sell it at 200, 225, and still make good money over 100%. So keep your eye on this one because the volume just started on the daily. So it might run again, maybe. All right, good luck. And hopefully we'll catch one of these today. If you want to screen, you can screen here on this bar chart for stocks with increasing value. See, when you click on stocks here, they give you more options. Look at another menu. Let's see, it's a little slow on the web today. See all these charts, all these scans. One of my favorite scans is the top 100 stocks. I like to see percent change and 5-day gainers. But you can take a look at that, see what you like. Take a look at stocks that have a good volume. And you can also check out finviz.com. That's a good one for screeners. All right, good luck today.